Hello and welcome to How to Play Apples to Apples, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the game Apples to Apples. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 4 to 10 players. The game comes with red apple cards and green apple cards. Each player is dealt 7 red apple cards to start. The object of the game is to win green apple cards. Green apple cards are awarded by the judge each round. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Each round, one player is the judge and will draw 1 green apple card. Players other than the judge will select one of their cards that best goes with the word on the green apple card. These red apple cards are placed face down in front of the judge. Once all the red apple cards are submitted, the judge will shuffle the red apple cards. Each card is then read aloud by the judge and the winning red apple card is selected. The player that submitted the winning red apple card is awarded the green apple card. The player left of the current judge becomes the new judge. Players' hands are returned to 7 cards. A new green apple card is drawn by the new judge, red apple cards are submitted, and another winner is selected. Depending on the number of players in the game is won when a player is awarded a certain number of green apple cards. With 6 players, the first player to 6 green apple cards is the winner. The winner in each round is decided by the judge's opinion, so consider the judge's personality when submitting a red apple card. That wraps up How to Play Apples to Apples. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!